Welcome to our Warm Wishes kit introduction video. I'm Charee Filimoehala here at the Graphic 45 headquarters, and in this video I'm going to show you what we're going to be creating with this elegant and fabulous holiday collection. So to jump right into our album kit, this month this album kit has been created for us by Maria Cole. We love some gorgeous dimension, and especially when it's done with our ephemera assortment pieces, so we don't have to do the hard work of pulling out our die cutting machines. And we're doing this all with a pre-made album, so creating this is going to be a cinch. Of course, we are going to add some fun interactive elements to teach you some great techniques and add so much interest to your albums. Each signature has a repeating set of characters. So you can see we're going to have these side loading photo mats. We've got these great pocket pages that store the tags that come with the album. We've got more spaces for more memorabilia. We've got some fold up elements for some surprise and delight. And then a great little accordion fold out. So many opportunities for storing your memories in this one, and then it's so fun and simple to create since we just repeat those steps, making it just an easy breezy project to get done in time to celebrate the holidays. Now, to recreate an album like this at home, you can hop on over to our website, g45papers.com, or head down to your local G45 retailer to pick up the supplies. And the supplies you're going to need are our 12x12 Warm Wishes collection pack, the pre-made ATC tag and pocket album with the coordinating tags that come inside, as well as the ornate metal corners, as well as the Warm Wishes ephemera cards. And if you get the kit, you're also going to get that project sheet that's all nicely laid out for you, and a bag to store all your goodies in. And then what we're creating this month in our card kit, this card kit has been created for us by Nancy Wethington. This Warm Wishes kit, I'm going to teach you how to create these fun and dimensional frame cards. They stand up on their own and look great with any holiday display or on a mantle. You can see they give you a little shadow box vibe going on, and we do a little bit of stamping as well. I'm going to teach you this frame card, and then with that same technique, I'll show you how to create this one as well, adding in a few more fun stamped elements. And then to take that same card base but do something different, we are going to create these fun and interactive accordion fold cards. So you can see when you open these up, they have all these fun little elements that just make receiving this and opening this so great. It would be really cute to add some personalization, some sentiments, photos, maybe even a little gift card or two. How fun and cute is this? So those are the 3 cards I'm going to walk you through in the tutorial, and then with your leftovers, I'll tell you what you need to create these other 3 for a total of 6. Now, to create all 6 of those cards, you're going to need to pick up that volume 11 card kit, and in that kit you're going to get the 8x8 Warm Wishes. In there you get 24 double-sided sheets, so a lot to work with and some extras for you to play around creating some more Christmas goodies as well. You're going to get the card bases. You get 6 of the cards and envelopes, the Warm Wishes stamp set, and our new Graphic 45 brick red ink pad. And then, of course, a bag and a project sheet to go along with all of that. So we encourage you to grab your supplies. Even if it's not these kits, you can always just grab some coordinating products. And then in the description below, click on the tutorial for both the album and the card tutorial, and let's learn some new great techniques together. As always, if you're looking for more great inspiration like this, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and then hit that notification bell so you know every time we upload a new video. We thank you so much for joining us, and as always, happy paper crafting.